Hello guys, let's take a look at the theme options of MyTube WordPress theme. First of all, there is general options and theme layouts. You're gonna get different theme options. You can also use the full width and box layout. You can use the body color, container background color, background body background image, and background image repeat, and box layout, and profile URL, create album URL, site search, and Google Analytics tracking code. And into the header, you also have different options into the header. So you can hide and show top bar, you can show social on headers, and you can use fixed menu position also. And there are a couple of logo options, and also the favicon and retina favicon for mobile views. And for the footer, there are a couple of options for the footer that you can use. You can hide and show widgets, and you can use different columns, and you can navigate footer and footer text and copyright text also. So video detail page, there are a number of options you can turn on and off for the videos, like author name, date, like, views, comments, and there are many more options that you can hide and show for the video. On the page layout, you have three types of page layout. One is one column, and second one is two column. And on the left and right column will have the menu bars. Okay, there is a blog page layout and category page layout, and colors and styling. There are multiple color and styling. There are almost 47 color options that you can use, and you can change entire look and feel of your WordPress theme. And this is the typography. Look at the typography. You can there are a bunch of options for typography, and you can change the fonts and colors almost every section of your website. And there is social links. You can use these social links on the main page, on the home page. Video APIs, you can use the YouTube video API to fetch the videos, and Vimeo APIs and Daily Motion APIs. I'm gonna create another video how you can get those APIs, and once you will get those API, you will insert here. So you will have an option to fetch the videos from these sources. And custom JS code, obviously this is for developer. And demo imported, this is just one-click demo importer. You buy the theme and you install it, and it will import right away. And these are option object. This is for the developer, and this is import and export settings. So once you have done with your settings, you can export it for future use, and you can import it to recall your settings. I'm sure you like these settings, and if you have any question, just write me at support@ewebcraft.com. Thank you so much.